So this is the tool you're going to need to lock the camshafts and the flywheel. So this is a toolkit by 8 Mile Lake. I'll put a link for where you can purchase it in the description below. It's from Amazon. So this is what the kit comes with. But we're not going to use everything in this kit. So these are to lock the camshafts. This is to lock the flywheel. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put our tools to lock the camshafts. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and grab this tool to lock the flywheel. Okay, so to lock the flywheel, we're going to need to take off one bolt. It's located on the transmission. So the bolt is that one right there. It's between the engine mount and the catalytic converter. It's a 15mm. We're going to go ahead and get it from underneath. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and insert the tool. It's going to go like this, with this piece going in between the oil pan and the transmission. Okay, now you can start tightening the bolt. Okay, before you go ahead and snug up this bolt, make sure the pink mark on the crankshaft sprocket didn't move.